Hi, I got my father to help me cooking and say hello to the YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
And
So what are we cooking today?
and today we're going to make chicken stir fry with rice. And I have done the rice. Now the ingredients here. We got chop up carrot, chop up onion, and chop up spring onion. And now we have chicken.
We still need to chop that up.
And we need to chop it up.
Yep.
The chicken. And now I'm going to cut up the chicken. I'm going to chop nicely cut to the chicken. Okay, now we're doing the sweet and sour sauce. Now we put some honey and apple cider vinegar and tomato sauce. It's the same amount.
Same amount of all three. Yep.
Same amount or all three.
Okay.
And now put the apple cider vinegar into the honey. Now I have done the apple cider vinegar, and now to put some tomato sauce and make it more.
Okay.
And that's a stir fry sauce. And now to mix it to make it yummy and sweet. And now the time for the chicken into a pan. And they have to wait for the chicken to nice and crispy as the whole chicken in the pan, and mix it, and it's so nice and tasty and soft in the middle to taste really good. And now turn for the chicken into a bowl. This is another place. And now, time for to put the onion into a pan. And the carrot in the pan. And mix it. To the onion for nice and crispy. And the carrot be soft. And the onion and the carrots done about 3 minutes. And now, and the time for the chicken in with the vegetables. and mix this in. And now the sauce. The sweet and sour sauce into the food. And now I'm going to mix it with the chicken and the onion and the carrot. And now I have to sit for a while. And now I put some spin onion into the food in the pan. Yeah, and thank you for listening to how to and the rice, dear. And thank you for listening to how to make chicken stir fry with rice.